Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to logically evaluate this equation and find values for x and y. If you'd like to try this yourself first, pause the video now. Okay, let's have a look at what we've got. These parallel lines here mean take the absolute value of x squared minus y squared. That means that this could actually be negative 52. But because we're taking the absolute value, it equals 52. In other words, the parallel bars just mean ignore the negative sign if there is one. Now this down here tells us that x is greater than 0, so it's a positive integer, but it's also less than y. Now if that is the case, when we square x and we take away the square of y, this would definitely be a negative number. So it's definitely going to be negative 52, but because of the parallel bars, its absolute value is going to be 52. So what does this tell us here? Well, it tells us that x and y belongs to the set of all integers. We've come across n before, which is all natural numbers, 1, 2, 3, etc. But all integers means 1, 2, 3, but in addition 0 and all negative numbers. So because x and y can only be integers, we've greatly reduced the number of possible solutions to this problem. Okay, let's have a go at solving this. X squared less y squared, what does that remind you of? Well, it's the difference of two squares. If we expand a plus b multiplied by a minus b, we get a squared less ab plus ab, that cancels out, and then we get negative b squared. And this is the difference of two squares. In other words, if we've got something like this, we can rewrite it like this. So rewriting the above, we can say that x plus y multiplied by x minus y must equal 52, with the bars of course. So now if we look at this, we need to find two numbers that when multiplied together give us 52. What could those two numbers be? Well, it could be 52 multiplied by 1, or it could be 26 multiplied by 2, or it could be 13 multiplied by 4. So let's now look at these one at a time. What two numbers add up to give you 52? Well, it could be 26 and 26, or it could be 25 and 27, or it could be many other combinations. But remember, the difference between them has got to be 1, and the difference between these two is 0, and the difference between these two is 2. There is in fact no way of getting two integers to add to 52 and have a difference of 1. So this is not a solution to our problem. Now what about 26 and 2? So two numbers that add up to give you 26 and gives you a difference of 2. Well, here we have got a solution because we got 14 less 12. That gives you a difference of 2 and they add to 26. So this is a solution to our problem. And finally, what about 13 and 4? So two numbers that add up to 13 and give us a difference of 4. Well, two numbers that add up to 13, we can try 8 and 5, but they've got a difference of 3. So what about 9 and 4? They add up to 13, but they have a difference of 5. Again, there's no way of getting to 4. So this again is not a solution to our problem. The only solution is 14 and 12. Therefore, since x is smaller than y, x must equal 12 and y must equal 14. And that is our answer. Hope you found that interesting. How did you get on with this problem? Did you solve it just through trial and error? Let me know in the comments below. That's it. End of the video. Check out a few more here. See you next time.